Good morning. I just arrived. I would like you to know where I am located. Here we are very close to São Paulo, the capital city of São Paulo state in Brazil. Arrived at the location. We'll meet now Mr. Sergio and Lauro. They're waiting for me. And here they are. So we will enter the lab and visit. Hello, Laura. Hello, Sergio.
Arthur.
Hello, Arthur.
How are you doing?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine, thank you.
All right.
Waiting for me for a very long time? I hope not. All right. Okay. Vai, pode ir com ele. Sorry. So they are just meeting the people from the company. Okay. Hello. Here we are. I'll show you now what kind of residues they have. You know, it's a wide variety. So I'll just show in details. You know, it's industrial waste. As you can see, plastic cups, all sorts of waste. Here they have some residues of sand and wood, also plastic cups, as you can see, coal, mineral coal. They can process everything. You know, even this is corn they have here that must be destroyed. You know, a wide variety of waste. This is the installation of the. Yeah, they have several different labels for the residues they are collecting and processing. So as you can see, it's very. It's a wide. They have a wide range of recyclable materials. Now, this is a filter. What you see here in the yellow, these yellow tubes, is filter. When they process mineral coal, they need that filter to extract the sulfur from the gases. Okay, now we are just going to see meet Mr. Joaquim, that is the engineer here on site. This is control panel. Hello, Joaquim. So this is the control panel for the equipment. And while he's explaining technical details, you know, how he controls the equipment, I'm showing you a panoramic view of the equipment. See, this is the reactor. Sorry for the light, too much light there on top. So you have an idea. So here we can see a bit better. The residues are introduced into this machine from the top. More modern equipment, they have the input of the waste is done from a slightly lower perspective or entrance point. Exactly explaining how the garbage is introduced or the waste is introduced. Okay, they need to have an airtight valve, so they open the first one, introduce the residues and then close, and then open the second one for the reactor. Okay. The reactor has an outer chamber and an inner chamber. All we can see is the outer chamber. I don't know if you can see some steam coming out, so there is a really high temperature. The process is running. I'll show you the temperature here in the control panel. Let's see if we can see that. See, almost 958 degrees outside temperature and 780 internal temperature of the reactor. So industrial equipment, I'll show you something else here. Here at the lower end of the machine of the reactor, you see where they extract the ashes. And these tubes you see there is where the gas from the chamber, from the reactor, are extracted. The gases come here. They have two condensers. They have several filtering equipment. This is a condenser, and here they separate diesel or fuel. He's explaining right now. The condenser is at work. That pulls down the gases, and then they have oil, fuel oil, diesel, and then water. Water is condensed, and then what goes on this path is gas that goes for the combustion. And what I'm showing you right now is where the gases are burned, because right now they are not used for anything else. As you can see, it's a quite strong flame. And here would be the point where you can attach a boiling equipment, so you boil water, so you can produce further energy. So, compressor to compress the gas and send it to the burner. Outside, I'll just go outside, sorry for the light difference, but I'll show you where the chimney is, and you see there is no visible fumes, you don't see anything. This piece of equipment here is where the cooling water for the condenser to separate gases from the oil. Right? I believe we have it all covered. Sergio and Mr. Lauro still receiving an explanation about the system. And from here, yes, you have a better view because of the light, the equipment, the entrance of the waste from the top. This machine is capable of processing 200 kilograms of residues per hour. Okay, so as you can see, this is again the filter. When they process coal, mineral coal, they need to pass the gases through this filter so they can remove the sulfur.